All right, good morning, guys. So, mass blood in the streets. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. All right, look at this, guys. This was our trend line. Let's get rid of that one. This was our trend line we're looking at. This massive, massive, massive triangle. Okay, this looks like a pretty clear A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, and the E actually went below there. So may not even be an actual E wave at this point, but I still do expect, since it came down here and re-tapped this level, I do expect it to go back up and break on out of this sucker. So this is what you can look at for a real true capsiculation candle. Look at this massive, massive volume on a 4 hour, and we just got started on this in the last 9 minutes. Look at this. Look at this candle. Look at this absolute incredible volume. Okay, that is what you're looking at for a true capsiculation candle. This is absolutely gorgeous, guys. So yeah, if you were long anywhere in here, you got liquidated. So now, because all that sell pressure is down, because all those longs have to resell eventually, right? So because all that sell pressure is now gone, now the most likely position is to break back up. So these already got liquidated. So now the next turn is to bust through and break the shorts out. But since we do have this massive triangle and it looks to be getting to the apex, the most logical solution is a solid breakout. So I am actually very bullish on XRP at this level, very much so. All right, let's go to the BTC. Let's see how it looks real quick. All right. Oh, look at that capsiculation. I love it, love it, love it. All right. Look at this volume, incredible volume. I'm really, really happy with this. We do have a bullish divergence right now. See this? You have a lower low between that. You have a higher low right here. That looks really, really good. You also have, well, there's a lot of volume, but this also looks like a very strong candle. So we did bust it below our primary level, and we are getting some sort of a capsiculation, which is good. And this is very healthy for a market. Don't freak out, guys. So this entire block is a massive, massive, massive 2-week level. This is the level everyone's looking for. So we do have, for the first time in a very long time, we finally have sort of divergences forming. That's awesome. Okay, let's see. So everyone else is saying Bitcoin's dead, right? Everyone's saying it's dead, and they're about to get absolutely wrecked when this thing jumps back up. So, because if you look on the high time frame, like this is exactly where we've been looking at. This is the level everyone's been looking to buy, and we're squarely in the middle of it. If you are selling here, you are stupid. I'm telling you that right now. This is the worst spot you could be selling. Now, what am I looking for confirmation? This is what we need to see. We need to see this candle close above this blue line. That's the 200 moving average. It is a very, very important candle, or a very, very important indicator, and I need it to close above here today. If it does, then as far as I'm concerned, that is a solid retest, and we are going to continue upwards. Now, if we close below here, we have to start looking at other options. So that would be a very bad sign if we do so. But right now, this looks extremely healthy. I have zero issue with what's going on today. I think people who are selling this level are seriously, seriously missing out on a great, great, great buy opportunity. This is the level I've been talking about for weeks, guys. We are currently there. Low 40s, high 30s. I've been saying this for weeks. Go through all of my stuff and like, no shit, we are there. If you're selling here, you are missing out massively. Is it violent? Yes, I've said that multiple times. It would be violent. It's absolutely brutal right now. But this is exactly what we've been expecting. So hold tight. I even post on the Facebook group, right? I post on the Facebook group. It says something like, where was it? Yeah, this is a final flush. It can drop really hard. I'm confident that will cover me harder. Yada yada yada. Yeah, like this is exactly what I've been looking at. All right. Like this is perfect. This is absolutely perfect. And I was even making a joke last night because like, yeah, it was already down a lot, but I said, get ready, guys, about to drop a lot further. Yeah, like guys, we've been nailing this. Oh, here we go. Overall, we might get a final push into major breaker. We did, and if we do, it might get very violent depending if it's a true capsiculation candle. So far, this is not true capsiculation. Make that very clear. XRP, that's capsiculation. That was like a what, 30% drop in the span of like an hour or like a few minutes. That's capticulation. XRP looks super, super, super good. That's what I like to see for a true wipeout, true liquidity flush, true funding reset. That's what we really, really, really want to see. Now, Bitcoin has not had that yet. And I'm talking true capticulation. Unless we touch the 20s, it's not true capticulation. Okay, I'm telling you that right now. That sounds incredible. Yeah, I'll be right there. All right, cool. I'm gonna have to let you guys go.